How to fix WhatsApp, sorry, this media file doesn't exist. So if you want to fix WhatsApp, sorry, this media file doesn't exist problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Once you're under the apps, you need to go with see all apps, go with the magnifying icon and search for WhatsApp and tap on the application. Now go with the notifications, make sure that you've turned on the notifications and make sure that you allow the permissions. The main thing or the main reason is you've not allowed the permission to access your media. So you just need to simply go with photos and videos and tap on allow always, access always, and after that go back and tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply remove everything and you need to go with your Play Store and go with search. Now under your search, you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, then you just need to simply go and update your application. Once you update it, then your problem might be fixed. And after updating, you just need to simply go and restart, press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.